Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a towering tree or a beautiful flower? Welcome to the magical world of plant growth, where nature's little miracles happen every day. Let's dive into the first magical step, germination. Imagine the seed, a tiny plant embryo, snug in its protective shell. Can you believe that this tiny seed can transform into a towering tree that outreaches a house? It's waiting for just the right conditions. A splash of water, the perfect temperature, and a cozy spot in the soil. These conditions are met. It happens. The water softens the seed's tough outer shell, and the warmth whispers to the plant embryo. It's time to grow. And just like that, the seed begins to sprout, and our little plant embarks on its incredible journey of growth. Next, we move on to the second step, the seedling stage. With a sufficient supply of water, light, and nutrients from the soil, the seedling starts to develop true leaves. These leaves are the plant's primary source of food production. Through a process called photosynthesis, these leaves convert sunlight into energy, which fuels the plant's growth. The third step is the vegetative stage. This is when the plant puts all its energy into growing taller and producing more leaves. This stage is crucial for the plant's survival because the more leaves it has, the more energy it can produce through photosynthesis. The final stage of plant growth is the flowering and fruiting stage. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The plant produces flowers, which, if pollinated, will produce fruit containing seeds. And thus, the cycle of plant growth continues. To recap, plant growth is a miraculous process that starts with a tiny seed and, given the right conditions, ends with a mature plant that can produce flowers and fruit. The process begins with germination, where the seed starts to sprout. After sprouting, the seedling stage begins, during which the plant develops true leaves and begins to photosynthesize. The plant then enters the vegetative stage, where it grows and produces more leaves. Finally, the plant reaches the flowering and fruiting stage, where it produces flowers and, if pollinated, fruit. So the next time you plant a seed in your garden or admire a beautiful tree in a park, remember the magical journey that seed took to become the plant you see before your eyes. The world of plant growth is truly a wonder to behold.